Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with a video on map pointing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we will be dealing with the map pointing of grade 10 CBSE of the chapter Manufacturing Industries. There are three main subtopics in this chapter: cotton textile plants, iron and steel plants, software technology parks. Starting with the major cotton textile plants, we have Kanpur, Indore, Surat, Mumbai and Coimbatore. These are places in major cotton producing states due to their suitable conditions for growing cotton such as black soil. Let us start the map pointing with Kanpur. Kanpur is a city in Uttar Pradesh. To mark it, take a straight line down from Uttarakhand onto Uttar Pradesh and a line from Madhya Pradesh. The intersection of these two points is where we mark our Kanpur. Erase the grid lines and moving down. Next we have Indore, a city in Madhya Pradesh. To mark Indore, it is just right next to this dip from Gujarat and below this line. The intersection of these two points is where we mark our very own Indore. Moving downwards again, before that let's erase the grid lines. Moving downwards again, we have the next city, that is Surat, which lies on the coast of Gujarat. This is our Surat. Moving downwards, we have Mumbai, which is pretty easy to mark on the coastline of Maharashtra. Next, we have the city Coimbatore, which is on the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. This is Coimbatore. So that's it. Kanpur, Indore, Mumbai, Surat and Coimbatore are the most famous major cotton textile plants in India. Moving on to major iron and steel plants, we have Durgapur, Bokaro, Bhilai, Vijayanagar, Salem and Jamshedpur. Most of these are located on the Chota Nagpur plateau due to its rich minerals and ores. Let us start our map pointing with Salem in Tamil Nadu. It lies on the same line as Puducherry and below this groove that goes into Karnataka. So this is our Salem. Moving upwards, we have Vijayanagar in Karnataka, which lies here. Then moving upwards into the Chota Nagpur plateau, we first have Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, which lies here. This is our Bhilai. Now moving upwards into Jharkhand, we have two places. The first one being Jamshedpur on the border of West Bengal. That lies here. This is Jamshedpur. We also have Bokaro, which lies just above Jamshedpur, also on the border of West Bengal, which lies here. This is our Bokaro. Then in West Bengal, we have our Durgapur, which lies almost in the same line as Bokaro, but a bit lower. This is our Durgapur. So these are the major iron and steel plants in India. The major software technology parks are generally major cities in India, being Thiruvananthapuram, Gandhinagar, Bengaluru, Noida, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai and Chennai. Let us start our map pointing from the southernmost city that we have, which is Thiruvananthapuram, which lies here. This is our Thiruvananthapuram. I'm just writing Thiru for short, but please be sure to write Thiruvananthapuram as a whole word in your exam. Then moving forward, we have the coastal city of Chennai, which lies here in Tamil Nadu. Then moving into Karnataka, this is Bengaluru. Then moving upwards into Telangana, we have Hyderabad, which I have discussed in my previous video to help you guys mark Hyderabad easily. Please refer to that if you haven't watched it yet. Hyderabad lies here. Then moving upwards, we have Mumbai, a city in Maharashtra, which lies here. Then we have Pune, which is not a coastal city and lies below Mumbai. So mark it somewhere over here. Then again we have Noida in the north, which is a city in Uttar Pradesh and almost next to Delhi. So this is Noida. I really hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Do comment down below the other topics that you would like me to make videos on. Bye!